Hey guys, it's me. So it's been 5 days, and after the snowstorm came, that went over the whole country. We have some really deep snow, but now it's just like a frozen layer of ice that you can stand on. But if you wait enough, you could fall right through it. Luckily, it wasn't that deep for me though. And Millie's also when Kayla just got inside because she was in an idiot. She went up the yard. Millie, I see you. So I'm gonna show you what Millie looks like right now, because I haven't shown you what she looked like in a lot of months. Okay, so this is Millie. She's 10 months now. She's really big. She's taller than Kayla, our 8-year-old dog. She's going too fast. This tip of standing on it is you walk slowly. Oh, jeez. You walk slowly. Like this. But that didn't work out. What? I made her fall. Ow! Don't do that. Stop.